Hello, ka-learners! Handa na ba ang inyong device o notebook para kumuha ng notes at reminders? That's good! In another lesson, we learn how to find the topic sentence and state the main idea of the paragraph. Pag nahanap na natin ang topic sentence, ay makakatulong ito sa pagbuo ng buod. In studying this lesson, we will 1. Identify the detailed sentences that go with the topic sentence or main idea of a paragraph. And 2. Write the detailed sentences that support the topic sentence or main idea. Do you still remember the first guideline I gave you? Always bear that in mind. Now I'm going to give a second guideline in summarizing. Guideline number 2. Write sentences that add details to support the main idea. All the sentences in a paragraph should support the main idea. We call these sentences that support the main idea detailed sentences. We will identify these detailed sentences through this short passage that I'm going to read. Do you know why scientific experiments are very important? First, they help us in learning the truth. The law of gravity was discovered because of Newton's simple but important experiment. Experiments also lead us to many discoveries. Electricity was discovered because of an experiment. Lastly, because of experiments, medicine greatly advanced. What is the topic sentence of the paragraph? The topic sentence in this case is, do you know why scientific experiments are very important? What about the main idea of the paragraph? The main idea is that scientific experiments are important for several reasons. What reasons were given in the paragraph? These were 1. Experiments help us learn the truth about certain phenomena. 2. They can lead us to many discoveries. And 3. The field of medicine greatly developed because of experiments. These are called detailed sentences. They support the topic sentence by giving reasons as to why experiments are important. And now, given the topic sentence and the detailed sentences, this is how you make a summary out of it. Scientific experiments are important because they help us in learning the truth. They lead to many discoveries and they help in advancing medicine. I'm going to read another passage. Identify the topic sentence and detailed sentences. Every kind of tree has its own particular quality. Some can absorb sudden shock. One of these is the ash, which is used for making baseball bats. Some trees shrink very little. The cabinets in one's house are made from these types of trees. Some trees are easy to plane and they shrink or swell very little. An example is the pine tree, which is a favorite for building houses. Some trees are very tough. They stand shock even better than steel. Hickory is an example of this. Then, some trees never splinter. A black walnut is like this. That is why it is used for making rifles. The topic sentence is, every kind of tree has its own particular quality. And the detailed sentences are 1. Some trees can absorb sudden shock. 2. Some trees shrink a little. 3. Some trees are very easy to plane. 4. Some trees can stand shock even better than steel. 5. Some trees never splinter. Now, with these, write down the summary in your own words by using this starter. The paragraph is about blank. Now let's do a short recap. Remember that 1. Detailed sentences are sentences that support the topic sentence or the main idea. 2. Identifying detailed sentences that support the topic sentence helps in formulating a summary. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Sana may notes kayo na pwede pa rin basahin ulit sa ibang pagkakataon. See you on the next one, ka-learners!